It's November. That means the holiday season is here. A time where we really ramp up our wild crafting to use up all of our spring and summer forages and harvests. It's also a time when we start stocking our apothecary with home remedies for the sixth season. That is unfortunately here. It's also when we begin making the gifts we'll bless our friends and family and community with this Christmas season. And since I teach on herbal remedies, I thought we'd start the month out with creating a toxic-free fragrance from my monthly Simply Earth recipe box. I mean, the box itself would even be the most amazing gift to give this time of year for the herbalist in your life. Every month you get sent a new box with several recipe cards and all the things you need inside to make it. So not only can you stock your apothecary with all the ingredients that come inside the box, you can also stock your recipe box with the large assortment of recipes that are sent every month. I'm seriously so in love with this small, ethical, family-owned business. Their prices are so affordable because there is no middleman, and 13% of their profits go back into helping stop human trafficking. Check out the caption below to find out more about Simply Earth, how you can get a monthly box so we can craft together, and check out our stories for a discount code.